We have to find the HCF and LCM of 18, 20 and 30. How do we find the HCF and LCM of three numbers together? The best way to do it is by reducing all numbers to its prime factors and then write them in exponential form. Let's reduce 18 to its prime factors first. It is divisible by 2. 2 times 9 is 18 and 3 times 3 is 9. So 18 can be written as a product of these three numbers. So 18 will equal 2 times 3 times 3. In exponential form, it can be written as 2 multiplied by 3 squared. Let's move on to the second number, which is 20. It is divisible by 2 and the quotient is 10, which is also divisible by 2. 2 times 5 is 10. We stop here as we got a prime number. 20 can be written as 2 times 2 times 5 and in exponential terms can be written as 2 squared multiplied by 5. And the last number is 30. It is divisible by 2 and 2 times 15 is 30. 3 times 5 is 15. So we can write 30 as 2 times 3 times 5. And in exponential form as well, it is written in the same way. Now that we have written all three numbers in exponential form, we can move on to find the HCF and LCM. To find the HCF, we multiply the smallest powers of shared factors. So let's find the HCF first. Shared factors are the prime factors that are present in all the numbers. There are three factors that we have to consider: 2, 3 and 5. And out of these, 2 is the only factor present in all the numbers. Now let's look at the powers of 2. We have 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2 and 2 raised to 1 again. The smallest power is 2 raised to 1. So our HCF will be 2. How do we find the LCM now? To find the LCM, we multiply the highest powers of each factor. For the LCM, the factors do not have to be shared. First, let's look at 2. 2 squared is the highest power amongst these three. So we write 2 squared first. Among 3 and 3 squared is higher. We multiplied this with 3 squared. Notice that 3 is not present in here. It doesn't matter. For the LCM, we consider the highest power of each factor, whether it is shared or not. And the last factor is 5. We have 5 raised to 1 here as well as here. So we multiply this with 5 as its highest power. This is 4 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 5. That equals 180. So if you're asked to find the HCF as well as the LCM of three numbers, this is the method you should follow.